Hello and welcome to El Segundo News, where we inform you about issues and topics happening in the city of El Segundo. I'm Tolly Anderson. City officials would like to thank you for participating in the annual survey of El Segundo residents and businesses. The input received is utilized by City Council in the strategic planning process to set budget priorities and develop a roadmap to address the issues that are important to the community. Survey results will be presented at the May 6, 2025 City Council meeting. El Segundo's new poet laureate Kwaku Ambimbola recently collaborated with the El Segundo Blue Butterfly Conservancy to present The Land Remembers, his inaugural program. Participants joined Ambimbola and Master Gardener Barbara Boland on a short walk through Memory Tree Row and wrote journal entries and poetry inspired by nature.
For today's event, I was really excited to have people come through and challenge themselves to view the world through the lens of poetry. And I was also really excited for folks to learn more about the efforts to conserve our natural world here in El Segundo and to also plant, right? The last thing that we did for this event was to give folks the chance to plant some native plants along the beautiful hillside and practice, right, what we're writing. And I really love the fact that the city really champions its arts. I'm grateful for the support of the Arts and Culture Committee and the library as well. And I'm really excited to see what other collaborations and projects we can create together in a city that wants people to engage together through the arts.
Ambimbola's 2-year term as Poet Laureate lasts through the end of 2026. The Poet Laureate program is funded by El Segundo's Cultural Development Fund and seeks to promote diverse voices and perspectives in shaping and furthering the literary, arts, culture, and creative expression. When school's out for the summer, the learning doesn't have to stop. The Recreation, Parks, and Library Department will be introducing Leadership in Training Camp, a new summer camp program for teens. Participants will work in different summer camps and programs alongside department staff members and learn skills through leadership-style activities, team building, games, community service projects, and more. Here's Recreation, Parks, and Library Director Ali Mancini with more.
So Camp LIT, or the Leadership and Training Camp, is designed to give youngsters, middle school and high school students, an opportunity to see what it's like having a career in recreation, parks, and library. So it's really designed to give them something productive to do over the summer while also sort of introducing life skills to them that we hope will carry them forward as they mature. We're just really thrilled about this opportunity for kids in the community to get involved and come out and work alongside our fantastic team of staff to get a sense of what it's like to work in the city and have a career in community service. So it's going to be an awesome time, a perfect mix of regular day camp activities while also an opportunity to learn some skills that will hopefully benefit them in their future.
The camp will run Monday through Friday from June 24th through the end of August. And teens that are interested in LIT Camp can register now at esrec.org. Now let's check in with Egidio DeLu with what's new in local sports.
A lot is happening in local sports. Picking up where we left off, the LA Chargers made a major move in the NFL draft, selecting a running back from North Carolina, Omarion Hampton. Hampton is now an LA Charger. Congratulations. He's expected to be a big addition to the offense this upcoming season. Congratulations also to several local teams who are heading into the playoffs in pursuit of a championship. Both the LA Lakers and LA Kings have secured playoff spots. Closer to home, El Segundo High School's varsity baseball and golf teams are also extending their season. The golf team is looking to repeat as CIF champions for a second consecutive year. Best of luck to both. The varsity softball team has also clinched a playoff berth, but before that, they'll play their final regular season home game right here in town. The game is set for May 7th at 6 p.m. at the softball field at Rec Park. It's also senior night, so come out and support your Lady Eagles. I'm Egidio DeLu, and that's your Sports Wrap.
Thanks, Egidio. Whether you're interested in learning a new skill, supporting the community, or making new memories with those closest to you, these upcoming events in town have you covered. Bring your family and friends to the annual Hometown Fair on Main Street on Saturday, May 3rd from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. for live entertainment, games, carnival rides, a bake-off, and arts and crafts. The El Segundo Rotary Club will also be there hosting its annual Rubber Ducky Raffle to raise money for the El Segundo Unified School District and local organizations. And for more information, you can call 310-524-2700. And there's still time to purchase tickets to the El Segundo Education Foundation's 13th annual Ed Gala, which takes place on May 9th from 6 to 11 p.m. at Chevron Park. This elegant evening of fundraising for El Segundo's schools brings the community together to enjoy delicious food and drinks and aims to raise $400,000 toward the pledge grant of $2 million. Purchase tickets at esedf.org/gala. And brush up on your Spanish at the El Segundo Public Library during the Spanish Bilingual Storytime on Thursday, May 8th at 10 a.m. Children ages 0 to 5 and their parents and caregivers are welcome to practice basic Spanish vocabulary through stories and songs in English and in Spanish. A limited number of tickets will be available at the Youth Information Desk 15 minutes before the start of the program. On May 14th at 10 a.m., the library presents a bilingual concert for children in the Sue Carter Community Room. Children ages 0 to 5 and their adult caregivers will sing and dance in a lively English and Spanish concert featuring Baila, an organization that uses music and movement to teach Spanish. No registration is required, and for more information on these library events, call the Youth Reference Desk at 310-524-2726. And the El Segundo Fire Department presents 2 exciting events on May 10th. Super CPR Saturday returns to provide a free comprehensive course in adult CPR. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time learner, this class is designed for all age groups and incorporates lectures, videos, and hands-on CPR practice. Everyone who completes the course will earn a 2-year adult CPR certification from the American Red Cross. Class times are from 7:30 to 9 a.m. and from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Register online at eventbrite.com. By searching Super CPR Saturday, then stop by Fire Station 1's open house from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. to meet the city's firefighters and learn about what they do. Tour the fire station and check out the fire engines and trucks up close. There will also be music, food, and activities for the kids. And for more information, you can visit elsegundofd.org. Celebrate Older Americans Month by enjoying a free lunch at the Jocelyn Center on Saturday, May 17th at 11 a.m. The luncheon brings together older Americans in the community and honors the Older American of the Year and their contributions to the city. This year's theme is Flip the Script on Aging. To RSVP for the luncheon or to learn more, please call 310-524-2705 or visit the Jocelyn Center. That's it for this segment of El Segundo News. You can also watch more city-related videos on the El Segundo Media YouTube channel. And from all of us here at El Segundo Media, we want to wish all mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Thanks for tuning in.